Okay, here's the deal. Scotty McCreery just won American Idol. He should not have won American Idol. Lauren should have won all the way. Scotty, he could only sing freaking country. Lauren could sing country, pop. It's American Idol, for God's sake. Like, seriously. American Idol, you're supposed to sing like different types of genres. Okay, I thought it was gonna be Haley and Lauren at the end. I bet Scotty just won because he's Scotty the Hottie. Like, this is ridiculous. This is just dumb. Whatever, Lauren's better, and that's the facts. And Haley was really awesome too, and Haley should have won. I loved Haley. Haley was the best. I thought that the whole time. But you know, if America wanted to pick Scotty, well, fuck yeah, then Scotty won. But no, Lauren should have won. Okay, yeah, bye.